happy child and happy home. We all live happily in our house. Let us trace the house and color the picture with red color. If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.